In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tavily to N8n in a step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're looking to automate your workflows or streamline your tasks, linking Tavily to N8n can be a transformative process. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to head to the N8n website, which is a powerful automation platform that allows you to integrate different applications seamlessly. If you haven't already set up an account, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process and essential for accessing all the features N8n has to offer. But if you're already a member, go ahead and sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the N8n dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage and create workflows with ease. From here, our objective is to create a new workflow. And you can do this by clicking on the Create Workflow button. This will open up a new canvas, which will serve as the space where you'll design and connect your applications. Now, with your new workflow open, we're going to add nodes. Think of nodes as the building blocks for your workflow. They represent the different applications or services you want to incorporate, and they help in setting conditions and transferring data between apps. In our case, we're looking to add a node for Tavily. To do this, click on the Add Nodes option. You'll be greeted by a search field where you can look for a multitude of applications and services that integrate with N8n. In the search bar, type Tavily. You should see Tavily appear in the list of available applications. It's important to ensure you're connecting to the right service, so double-check before you proceed. Once Tavily appears in the search results, click on it. This action adds Tavily as a node to your workflow canvas, ready for configuration. It's crucial at this point to ensure that any necessary connections or API keys required for Tavily are at the ready, as incorporating these might be part of linking the services smoothly. And that's all there is to setting up a connection between Tavily and N8n. It's a simple yet powerful step that can vastly improve your work efficiency by automating repetitive tasks and synchronizing your data across platforms with ease. Play around with different nodes and settings to customize this integration according to your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Happy automating with N8n and Tavily!